I'm Ann Giles Cleland of Handshake 2.0. I have had the Droid X for 3 days, and I wanted to show you how far I had gotten in understanding it. The Droid X comes with a Getting Started booklet, and this is all that I have read so far. I know that I will have to go online and look at YouTube videos and Google some questions, but so far this is all I have done. I've never worked with a touch screen before. I went straight from a BlackBerry to a Droid X. So this was sort of daunting to look at this, but I figured out that I touch the home page and there is the beginning. And I will, this took a while to figure out, but I have to touch the unlock button and pull it over to see what I've got going on here. And it took me a while also to understand, I was touching, and as soon as I started touching, that's when I began to think that this was a wondrous machine, because it has screens that go to the side, and you touch to go either way. So this was when I was in awe of this. So really, that is my first impression of the Droid, was wonder. What I've figured out so far is how to put icons on the home page that are related to what I do most often. So I have a Handshake, Mail here, Foursquare, and Twitter. And how I did that was, this is cool, you touch the screen, you want to add a shortcut, you want to add an application, and then there's all these applications that you can add. And it works like the BlackBerry. If I am confused, I just back out, and that's how I get out of what I'm doing. I downloaded the Twitter application for Foursquare and had to stare at this a while before I figured out that this little box here is how I create a tweet. And see there, this one's hard for me, the screen. So it does, the screen can go like this, and I have more luck. So this is so, see there, so this is something I'll have to work on. The typing is a challenge for me. I also downloaded the Foursquare application, and here it is, and there are my friends, and there are places, and here I am, and this is the history. What I cannot figure out is how to check in. I can, if I click on the Weight Club, for instance, where I go often, I can check in here, but I can't figure out how to check in, find a location that I haven't checked into before. Sometimes you can grab things, I'm pulling, here are all my friends, so anyway, I'm stuck on Foursquare, so I will have to Google Android, Droid X for Foursquare. But bottom line is, I think this is going to be a very powerful tool for me, and I'm excited to learn more.